how you can make your first $500 to $1,000 per day or even per week, whatever your goal is, with TikTok affiliate marketing. Now in this video I'm going to show exactly step by step how you can do this. As you can see over here, the results over here. But the most important thing is when it comes to affiliate marketing with ClickBank and TikTok is understanding the social media platform. Let me go and show you what I mean by that. As you can see over here, in the last 7 days, over here had 216,000 video views, 3,000 profile views, 24,000 likes, and 2,800 comments, which is a good thing because in 2025, it's not all about conversions and sales online. It's about engagement ads first. It's about getting positive engagement. Why? Because you can see if you have been doing any kind of Facebook ads, YouTube ads, you know you can pretty easily lose your ad accounts. You get shut down by Google, by Facebook, by YouTube, right? And the reason why is because most of people are doing black hat, not white hat things, which is actually trying to avoid doing over-promising, hyped up products, garbage products, right, that doesn't deliver. So if you're doing everything good, and if you have someone who can help you, finally, once for all, to show exactly how things are done one-on-one, step by step, then you will know that you can avoid that thin line of crossing it and getting your ad account shut down. Now, TikTok is different thing. Why? Because it's like Facebook or eBay in 2012, right? There is not much rules and regulations. Like, for example, on Facebook, you cannot do before and after images for weight loss. Yes, on TikTok, you can get away with most of the things. Okay? So let me show exactly how we are doing this. Before I go into it, you can reach out to me later here on my Instagram, right? You can reach me out. You can send me a message. You can also DM me on Facebook. My WhatsApp number is in the description below. So if you have any kind of questions about making money online, passive income, do let me know. Now let's go straight into it. Over here you can see why I'm showing you Gary Vaynerchuk is because recently there were news from China, right? It's live stream shopping is taking over. You see over here, she has made over $8 million in like 2 seconds or 2 minutes, right? And you can go, don't have to believe me, go and check it out. Of course, it's a huge account, okay? But I'm going to show why you should take advantage and leverage of TikTok affiliate marketing. Because you can see over here, if you go out to a subway, outside on the street, you can see everyone is glued to their phone, right? Either they're on Instagram or TikTok, scrolling through. And my friend, this is where you come in place. If you have a mini website, mini ClickFunnels page, quiz funnel, and if you do everything by the game, by the book, functionally. I mean, not just copying and pasting and throw something on the website and hope you get sales. It doesn't work that way, okay? If you have lost money in the past, if you bought courses, sat on your chair for 8 weeks watching some outdated course, and then wondering why the heck I'm not getting any results, that is probably it, okay? I like to have someone who can help me one-on-one, step by step. Now, you can see 92% of TikTok users say they discovered new products on the app. What does it tell you? It means that they are used to buying online. Okay, it's very important because if you go on Facebook, mostly people don't go on Facebook to buy products, right? Psychology and sociology of mindset of the buyer is different there. But on TikTok, it's amazing. It's a magic. Why? Because people go there to buy a product actively. It means they go there to check what they can buy. Not only entertainment, and also educated, but also buying physical products. Okay, so you can see over here, one of the students made in 7 days $6,480 profit with $1,430 in ad spend. Right? So how fast you can make money? If you have budget, I don't know, $25 per day, $10 per day. Here it's example with $50 per day. Let's say that you are paying $1 per click and get 5% average conversion, which is 2 sales. 2 sales for the profit for the front end of product of $50 and upsell product for $100, you're making $250 per day. Now what you could do with extra $250 per day, you can spend on yourself, or you can reinvest some of the earnings back into the ad spend, back into the online business, and keep repeating the process to make more money, right? You can see with $100 a day, once you start making $100 a day, then you know, okay, you can make $650 per day in profit, right? All this is possible when we get things done, as you can see over here on a Zoom call with one of these clients online. Because if you have tried to make money online and you failed, it's not your fault. Otherwise, you wouldn't be watching this video right now. Probably you tried before and you did not make any money. Okay? Again, it's not your fault. Maybe you tried things, you bought some courses and didn't work out because it was rehashed, watered down, outdated version of something that used to work years ago or 2 years ago. But now the algorithm has changed. Everything is always changing online and you cannot repeat the same old process if you want better, fresh results right now. Okay, so but now I think you realize that you need someone who can help you one-on-one over the Zoom call along the way, so you can get in 20 to 30 minutes a day some really good, sustainable results. Talking about sustainable income. Okay, not millions per month. I'm saying about $500 to $750 per day net profit. If you're serious, you can create sustainable income. Okay, so all this is important because some of the newbies don't understand, because they never had someone who can help them along the way. They don't know that you have 5 stages of awareness. We have females, we have males. The language patterns are different. The copywriting must be different. Okay, from product aware person, it's already aware they want product, so you don't have to use any kind of copywriting there. But with problem aware people, we put them into the problem state first and then move them into the solution state where the conversions and sales are happening. Okay, and again, you don't have to learn this yourself. All this can be done for you, together with you. If you're really serious, if you really want to take it, if you're an action taker and want to get some kind of results for yourself, finally, for once, right? So you can see people just like you getting results over here with ClickBank. And now what you can do next? You can connect with me one-on-one. As I told you, I have my WhatsApp personal cell phone number. I have my email, Facebook Messenger, and Instagram, where you can follow me or DM me. But only if you're serious. Like if you really want to get results, move forward and start producing some of results in 2025. Because now the people are more than ever in the buying mode. So end of December, January, this is the perfect time to run these TikTok ads, this even Google ads, if you're really serious, right? And you don't have to spend a fortune on the ads if you know what we are doing together. Okay? So again, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more helpful tips.